Capturing the WorldPay SOAP API is a multi-step process that requires a thorough understanding of the technology and its implementation. To begin with, it is essential to have a basic knowledge of SOAP APIs and how they work. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol and is a protocol used for exchanging structured information in the implementation of web services. The first step is to obtain a WorldPay account and generate a set of API credentials. These credentials will be used to authenticate and authorize API requests. The credentials include a client key and a client secret. Next, choose a programming language to use for capturing the API. Popular choices include Java, Python, and C#. The language choice will depend on the specific requirements of the project and the expertise of the development team. The WorldPay SOAP API uses the WS security standard to secure API requests. This involves encrypting the SOAP message with a username token and a timestamp. The username token is used to authenticate the request, while the timestamp is used to prevent replay attacks. To capture the API, create a SOAP client in the chosen programming language. The SOAP client will be used to send requests to the WorldPay API and receive responses. The client must be configured to use the WS security standard and to include the API credentials in the request. Once the SOAP client is set up, it can be used to capture the WorldPay API. The client can be used to send requests for payment processing, refunds, and other transactions. The API response will be received and can be parsed to extract the relevant information. Best practices for capturing the WorldPay SOAP API include using secure protocols for encryption, validating user input, and handling errors and exceptions. It is also essential to follow the WorldPay API guidelines and to test the integration thoroughly before going live. By following these steps and best practices, it is possible to successfully capture the WorldPay SOAP API and integrate it into a payment processing system. The WorldPay API provides a robust and secure way to process payments and can be used to support a wide range of payment scenarios.